Welcome back. Here is another probable case of police taking hafta to allow illegalities on Goan beaches. Illegal photographers at Kolwa beach have alleged that Kolwa police take hafta and permit them to operate on the beach without any formal permission. Due to this menace, the tourism in Kolwa has declined. Here is a report.
The beautiful beach of Kolwa, which is also known as Beach of Silver Sand, is now a peril to the tourists. People inform Prudent that there has been drastic decline in tourism at Kolwa. The main reasons: unclean beach, illegal ice cream carts on the beach, photographers harassing tourists to pose for a picture, etc. etc. And yes, these photographers operate without any permission from the authorities. Business is simple: 40 rupees per snap.
आणि आता हिंगा कोलवा बीचे कितें जाला चोड लांबाणी त्रास कोताय लोकांक आता ते आता कॅमेरामॅन आता 20-22 सुमार कॅमेरा घेवन भोंवताय लांबाणी हय फोटोग्राफर्स ते आता थिंग भोंवताय ते लोकांक थिंगा हॅरेस कोताय यो तुगे फोटो काडा तुगे अमके पयशे तो 30 रुपये सांगता तो 50 रुपये सांगता तो थिंगा 40 रुपये सांगता ही भाशेन हे लोकांक हिंगा हॅरेस कोताय बिचेचेर आता हे आमी जायत फाटी हें कामलें आमी हें केलां पूण हें पासून आमी दवरलें पूण ते आयज लिपोन रावता दुसरे दिसा आनीक भोंवताय.
This is how the photographer on the beach revealed the open secret behind his illegal operations.
सब लोग कितने हैं इधर? 25 लोग हैं। परमिशन के बिना इधर आके फोटो निकालते हो? पंचायत ने परमिशन दी है? नहीं दिए। फिर पुलिस को हफ्ता देते हो? पुलिस हफ्ता लेने के लिए आता है? कि कभी आता है? कभी आता है? इवनिंग में आता है क्या?
कितना लेता है पुलिस? सायंस आता है सकाळी आता है
सायंस आता पुलिस हफ्ता घेऊन कितले दिता हफ्ता? तू कितला दिता रे? तुमचा ओनर दिता? पात्रांव दिता? ओनर कोण?
ते कोलवाचे पुलिस
कितले पात्रांव कोण रे तुझो?
There is no point in targeting this poor chap. He has his bosses at some other place and they are taking good care of the policemen in the area. Now listen to what Kolwa police have to clarify.
After me taking charge from 16th of April, no such complaint has been reported to me that the photographers are harassing the tourists and all. If any such photographers are there, I'll surely bring them at the police station and warn them not to do such things and see check all their license and documents whether they are allowed by the tourism department or not. So regarding your point that they are paying something to the police, I would like to deny to these allegations.
Our reporters in Kolwa, Greta Menezes and Xavier Dice.
Government is fighting a legal battle against Chogle High Secondary in the High Court. Director of Education has objected to the proposed closure of High Secondary, stating that any management or society receiving grants from the state government has no right to close down a school. Director further says reasons given by Chogle Education Society do not justify closing of the high secondary school. The management of Parvati Bai Chogle College of Arts and Science had approached the High Court, challenging the state's rejection of its application to shut down its high secondary section. Director of Education Anil Pawar has filed affidavit in the High Court opposing the petition filed by Chogle Education Society on Monday. Education Director claims in his affidavit, petition filed by Chogle Education Society non-maintainable, no document conferring power on Principal Dr. R.V. Gaukar on record, no document, hence petition deserves to be dismissed, reasons given by Chogle do not justify closure, Chogle receiving grants from government hence no right to close down, schools should continue to run in public interest and community, 2 higher secondary schools in area can't accommodate students, and closure goes against very object for which society was established. Meanwhile, 7 teachers of Chogle High Secondary School have filed application for impediment in the court. The teachers have sought quashing and setting aside of notice for closing down the higher secondary in the phased manner. High Court has allowed their intervention in the petition filed by the management of Chogle College. Our reporter from Panji Navdeep Agia with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari. The two-member committee probing into GCA's financial and administrative affairs most likely will not finish its inquiry within the stipulated time, that is on 16th May. GCA has informed the committee that the association will decide on May 14th whether to hand over the documents for inquiry or not. Chetan Desai, who is heading the committee, says GCA is not cooperating.
It seems GCA officials are not ready to cooperate with the committee probing the association's financial irregularities. Chetan Desai made 2 trips on Monday to GCA office at Porvorim seeking documents, but the efforts failed both the times.
Actually, they said they will give me the documents. But now they say that it will come to me. I will come to know only after 14, once the managing committee is called upon. So 14 तारखेक ते म्हाका दितले खंय पळया. He knows better. They are not cooperating.
GCA officials say that they will decide on this issue on May 14th.
सकाळी ताणें लेटर घेतला हांवें ताका 4 दिता म्हटलेलो ऑन टायम आय हॅव गिवन इट टू हिम एंड आय हॅव टू कन्सल्ट माय मॅनेजिंग कमिटी एज पर दी बायलॉज. I can't just hand over the document. Let GCA decide what is the further course of action.
Our video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.